Everyone, it is Chakra Tuesday today, and today's chakra is the seventh chakra, the crown chakra, located at the top of your head. This chakra is also known as the Sahasrara and is associated with the color violet, gold, or white. And the sound associated with this chakra is Om, just like the third eye chakra from last week. And this is what it looks like. So with the chakra, when it is in balance, you have this strong connection with your own spiritual nature, with your divine self. You feel light, you feel more blissful. You live in the present moment and you have this deeper awareness of your connection with this higher source, higher consciousness. You have direction and purpose in your life. You're able to live your truth. You are able to find the answers within yourself and trust your own knowledge, your wisdom, and your own clarity. Now, when this chakra is out of balance or disharmonious, you might experience a lot of headaches, or maybe you have nervous or mental disorders. You might also have insomnia or believe in your own self-limiting behaviors. You might feel confused or dissatisfaction with your life. You also might be skeptical, closed-minded, just limit yourself with having a deeper, broader perspective of life itself. You might over-intellectualize things or just have feel isolated and alone. And ways to bring this back into balance is practicing meditation and practicing prayer. Journal your dreams, read books that might open up to a broader perspective. You can also practice gratitude and self-reflection. You can also eat purple colored foods or clear liquids. You can also wear certain colors like violet or white or gold. You can also carry with you certain crystals that are associated with the crown chakra, like moonstone or lapis lazuli or amethyst. So now we are going to do a little meditation to begin to bring that chakra back into balance and just get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed and where you are able to spend a few minutes on yourself in self-reflection and self-observation. So when you are ready, just close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. And sigh it out. And take another deep breath in through your nose. And sigh it out. Just begin to breathe nice and easy. Inhale, then exhale. There's no rushing. Just allow your body to relax. Allowing your mind to relax. Now begin to bring your awareness to your crown chakra at the top of your head and envision a beautiful violet or gold light glowing there, opening up, becoming more radiant, more luminescent, the more you focus, allowing it to become more expansive, more beautiful. Just allow that light to open up even further up towards the universe, the cosmos. And in return, the cosmos is filtering beautiful light, beautiful white healing light through the top of your head. Expanding that light at the crown a little bit more, becoming more radiant, just allowing that feeling to become more expansive. Feel that light moving throughout your body, expanding your awareness, expanding your body, your energetic body. That light is continuing to fill your body and then moving outwards, expanding outwards until you are totally embraced by this beautiful, expansive light from the crown chakra, from the cosmos. Just continue to envision and intend that light to expand even further. Intend on that cosmic energy to flow down through the top of your head. Feel that connection with Source, with your higher consciousness. Just allow yourself to witness and observe the beauty of this light. Feel how expansive you are, becoming part of the cosmos itself, the universe itself. Just continue to breathe nice and easy. Focusing on that light, that beautiful, radiant light that now has become you. And just continue to breathe, allowing yourself to bask in this knowing, basking in this beautiful light, this radiant light. Now you can chant Om if you prefer. And take your time here as long as you like. Just allowing that awareness to open up even further. There's no hurry, there's no rush. Just continue to stay in this moment, to stay in the breath. Thank you for being here. Namaste.